teachers. Today I want to show you something I think you will find useful, especially if you're using a platform like Seesaw. Well, I have a Mac and all my tutorials will be from my Mac, so I apologize if you have a PC. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a usable activity from a PDF. You do not need digital documents. And to do this, you are going to have your PDF accessible. You are going to open this with Preview. Once I'm in Preview, I'm going to find the page that I need for my activity. Let's say it's this one here. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to export as, and I'm going to rename it, whatever it is that I want to name it. Maybe it's Monday, March 16th, and I can save it in whatever file I want. Now, for Seesaw, normally for the free version of Seesaw, you can only mark up a JPEG. But I think for a limited time, they're allowing you to do this with a PDF for free. But I'm going to show you how to do this with a JPEG. Now, you can adjust the quality. If it's a lower quality, it's going to be more pixelated. Obviously, something that is higher quality or higher resolution is going to take up more memory. So I can maybe kick it up a little bit, and I'm going to hit Save. Now I go back into my file, and you're going to see that now this is a JPEG ready to be used on Seesaw. I hope you found this useful.